Hello and welcome. Right in this video I will show you how to generate a direct download link for your files on Google Drive. Right now I've logged into my Google Drive account. As you can see right here, I have different folders in my account. Now if I want to share any of the file in this account, what I have to do is to go ahead and click on this three dot right in front of each of the folder or the file. Then the next thing is I will go straight to the share menu. Then I will see these two options right here. Now before I go ahead and click on copy link, the first thing I will do is I will click on share. Now when I click on share, I will have to go ahead and configure how the sharing will appear to the users I want to send the link to on the internet. By default, it's going to be restricted, and what it means is that only people with access can open the link, which means that if I send the link to anyone, I still need to grant them access before they can have access to the file I'm sharing with them. And if you don't want that to happen, what you need to do is to go ahead and change this from restricted to anyone with a link. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing right in this demonstration. Now we're not going to be using this particular folder for the demonstration. Now I also have to mention that this particular direct download link might not work for some file type in your Google Drive, particularly if the file type is in doc format or in CSV or spreadsheet format. Now let's go ahead and try with the video and see exactly what will happen. So I have a video right here. Let's click on the three dot right here and click on share. Now let's click on this share and then change the configuration. Now you can see right here I have it configured as anyone with a link. However, by default what you are going to see is restricted, and what it means is that only the people you grant access will be able to view that particular file. So let's go ahead and change it back to anyone with a link. Then we are going to go ahead and copy the link. So now I have copied the link. The next thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and open this link in a new browser and see how it's going to appear. So I open this browser right here, I paste the link and I click on enter on my keyboard. So now what you are going to see is the video loads directly in my browser. But this is not what you want in most cases. You want people to be able to download immediately they click on the link. And that is the next thing I'm going to be showing you right now. So let's go ahead and close this browser. Let's come back to this browser. We already copied the link. And then I'm going to go straight to the Chrome extension I want to use for this purpose. So you can see I have the extension installed right here, and the name of the extension is Google Drive Direct Download Link. So I have copied the link. I'll go ahead and paste the link right here. Now that I've pasted the link right here, I'll go ahead and click on generate direct download link. So as you can see, the link has been generated, and the next thing is for me to copy the link and use the link to download a file in my Google Drive. So let's go ahead and copy the link right here. This is the download link. However, if I want to download directly, I can just go ahead and click to download your file. Now I have copied the link right here. Let's go to the new browser right here. Let's paste the link and then let's click on enter and see what will happen. So right now, instead of opening the file in my Google Drive account, it's going to download it immediately, and you can see right it has been downloaded right into my computer. So this is one of the best way you can create direct download link in your Google Drive, and this link can be used in your website. If you don't want people to know where you host your file, you can generate the direct download link and use the URL shortener to mask the URL and start sending it to people for them to be able to download a file directly. So as you can see, that is how to generate a direct download link for your file in Google Drive. So if you go ahead and try this, let me know if it works for you in the comment section. Thanks again for watching the video, and see you in another video.